Most of us experience a biological milestone, so routine we rarely think about it. We lose our baby teeth, and a permanent second set grows in. The question facing modern medicine is why that process has to stop there. Permanent tooth loss affects millions of people globally, often resulting from decay, gum disease, or trauma. This isn't just an aesthetic issue. It leads to jawbone degradation, restricted diets, and significant psychological distress. Humanity's historical solution has been physical substitution. Early attempts, like these spring-loaded dentures, were crude mechanical devices designed to mirror the most basic functions of chewing. Modern titanium implants represent a massive leap forward. These devices are engineered to integrate directly with the jawbone, creating a stable foundation for artificial crowns. Even our best implants have a biological deficit. A titanium screw is fused rigidly to the bone, whereas a natural tooth is suspended by a flexible periodontal ligament and filled with living pulp and blood vessels. This lack of living tissue means implants provide no proprioception, the sensory feedback needed to modulate bite force. They also lack a natural blood supply, leaving the surrounding gums without an active biological defense against infection. Because even the most advanced implants remain mechanical prosthetics, the future of dental care is shifting toward the challenge of biological regeneration. Growing a tooth requires staggering biological coordination. Stem cells must differentiate and self-assemble into a structure of hard enamel, resilient dentin, and live pulp. This is a dental X-ray showing a permanent tooth developing beneath a primary tooth. It serves as visual proof that our jaws contain latent tooth buds, vestigial structures with the potential to form a third set of teeth. In most humans, these third set buds undergo apoptosis early in life. They are programmed to regress and disappear before they can ever mature into functional teeth. We now know the specific biological antagonist responsible for this regression, a protein called USAG1. USAG1 acts as a dual antagonist, physically blocking the BMP and Wnt signaling pathways. It stops the developmental signals from reaching the dormant tooth buds, effectively halting their growth. The human jaw contains all the necessary biological building blocks for regeneration. It simply lacks the active genetic permission to use them. At Kyoto University, Dr. Katsu Takahashi and his team spent 30 years searching for a way to deactivate this genetic override. Their breakthrough is TRG035, a monoclonal antibody designed to neutralize the USAG1 protein. TRG035 detaches USAG1 from the receptors, reactivating the BMP signaling pathway. This allows the dormant tooth bud to receive the signals it needs to begin growing. This mechanism was proven in ferrets, a species that also naturally grows only 2 sets of teeth. A single injection of the antibody resulted in the successful growth of a functional third set of teeth. Overriding the mammalian limit on dentition is no longer a theoretical concept. It is a demonstrated biological reality. Human clinical trials for the TRG035 antibody have officially begun, moving this therapy from animal models to actual patients. These initial trials are focused on patients with congenital tooth agenesis, a genetic condition resulting in missing teeth, rather than typical cases of tooth loss due to age or hygiene. Regrowing a tooth lost to decay in an adult jaw is a significantly more complex challenge than treating a genetic absence in a child. Regeneration requires extreme spatial precision. The body must be guided to grow the exact shape of a crown, ensure it erupts in the correct location, and guarantee it connects to existing nerves and blood vessels. Because of these immense hurdles, titanium dental implants will remain the standard of care for most patients for years to come. However, TRG035 marks a definitive step into the biological era of dentistry, where we look to cellular processes rather than just mechanical repairs. Science is now attempting to prompt the human jaw to remember how to grow its own teeth.